Welcome to another ALERE demonstration. In this video, I will discuss managing cloud data. Start by selecting the Extension tab, then navigate to Manage Cloud. The Manage Cloud data screen is used to determine which data fields are loaded and kept synchronized in the cloud for use with mobile devices and for web development support. The left-hand grid displays a list of the ALERE tables. Clicking on the table name will display the name of the table and the fields that can be published in the right-hand grid. Clicking on a table with a check mark will display the fields and which ones have already been selected. In this case, the tables and fields checked belong to the InTouch call sheet. Additional tables and fields may be published by clicking on them and selecting the Save button. The Sync For Note field allows developers to insert code that limits the data being published to the cloud. For example, a clause could be added to limit the sales orders to just the present year. The Test button is used to check the validity of the expressions. The Sync button is used to set how often the program will automatically update the cloud data. When it is selected, the Cloud Sync screen is displayed where you can choose the frequency. Once the choice is made and you click on the OK button, the update will automatically take place, and then each time according to the interval. The first time the cloud data is published may take a few minutes, but thereafter only the changes are published. The date and time of the last update is displayed on the screen. The interval may be changed anytime you choose. That concludes this ALERE demonstration. For more videos, please visit our website.